Hi there, it's Yvonne de Celis again one more time. It's Tuesday, it's January 7th, and it's about 3:45. I just realized I left out one thing I said I was going to do in my last video, the one about de-stressing and doing the sadness, anxiety, and grief, or sorry, trauma and overwhelm. I said that I was going to show you where I learned. I saw another video about the liver meridian because the liver meridian trace, usually from what I've learned, ends right underneath the pecs. You start at the big toe and you trace up the center of your legs, or I'm sorry, not up the center, I'm sorry, for this trace you start at the toe and you actually trace up between your legs all the way up to where your groin is, and then you let your hands go to the side, you go up and then in and underneath the pecs. You can also kind of very vigorously massage under the pecs, and it might be tender. If it is, it means you need it, according to, once again, Donna Eden. But one other exercise that I saw by Prune Harris, who is another energy medicine guru, she's from the UK, she said this was part of the liver meridian trace, and she started up here. She pushed in, pull apart to the side, and then slide your hand down and off your chin and then shake your hands out. And I've been doing this a few times, and I find this to be a pretty helpful exercise. I do feel a temperature shift when I do this, so maybe I'm shaking some negativity off. Maybe there's something wrong with my liver. I don't know. I can't really tell for sure. I'm sorry, I know this is long, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's possible that there's something in my liver meridian that needs helping, because I really do feel a shift when I do this, so you may want to try this too. But again, I'm just doing this because I said I was going to show it in my prior video, and I realized that I neglected to. So this is just part 2 to the last energy healing video I did. I will put a link to this one at the end of that one, and I'll also put a link to that one on this one. So pardon the confusion, but I did just want to do one more video. I didn't want to short you guys because I don't know when I'm going to be back to do another one. Anyway, thanks again for your time. Namaste, peace and light. Cheers, and I will be back with something in hopefully a few days. Take care of yourselves. Be well. Bye-bye.